So everything went kind of as expected. I knew that about the injections. I knew about the little bit of pain that was going to happen for the injections, extractions. Everything pretty much went according to plan. I'm still pro Caymaz as opposed to the others because there's a lot of great communication, and you do feel like you're priority here. As far as the procedure itself, the initial injections were a little painful, not crazy, mainly up here. And as far as the future, I'm optimistic. Hopefully I get all the hair that I want and I don't have to do it twice because I do not want to do it again. And that's it.
Be patient, trust the process. Everyone here is fantastic, like they're going to give you the best care and attention. And again, just be patient and trust the process.